Good morning, you guys. Today is my second full day in in Sydney. And I have a lunch planned with my mom in Bondi and a dinner planned with my stepmom in the city. I am hoping it gets warmer today. I think the forecast might be 26 or something, but it looks a bit cloudy now. Yeah, because I want to maybe head to the beach and either go swimming if it's warm, or at least chill and sunbake for a little bit. I think that's the main thing I miss while living in London is the Sydney beaches, or just beaches in general, because London basically has no beaches. So my jet lag is much better now, especially compared to the first day. I was so tired when I first arrived. I still get tired pretty easily during the evenings, but it's not as bad as that first day I arrived. And it's so confusing because I have just several things I need to keep tabs on for for London time, and yeah, trying to email people, check up on things with the London time is definitely confusing. More confusing than when I was living in London and I had to check on Sydney time, because I guess I just arrived, so so the calculations is different. The math ain't mathing for me at the moment. Yesterday I had my friend's Hens / bachelorette party. It was pretty much for the whole day. The first event was at Alexandria. The place was called Hijinks Hotel or something. It's basically like a game center. There's like a bar area, you can have drinks and food, and then there's a bunch of rooms where you split into teams and play games. For example, there's like a human-sized Tetris in one room, or a ball pit in another room, and you just throw balls in the holes. A mini basketball situation in one room. What else? One room had music, and you had to guess the names of the songs and stuff. So yeah, that was fun to do. And then we did right next door was Holy Moly, the putt golf thing. We did that. And then I went back home, freshen up, and then we went out to dinner in the city. This nice restaurant called Bob and Tone. Boop? I think it's Bob. Yeah, Bob and Tone. That was really yummy. Yeah, it's really nice to see some of my friends, and my friend that is getting married. That's the reason that I'm in Sydney. Some of my old work colleagues got invited, so it was nice to see them. But yeah, I have still so many other people I'm going to see throughout the week, so I'm very excited to play a game of catch up. So other than meeting my friends and family, I'm also really excited to just eat a bunch of Asian food. honestly. The Asian food in Sydney is so much better than in London. It just tastes more authentic, more affordable, easier to find. I feel like anywhere in Sydney you go to, like any Asian restaurant you go to in Sydney, is most likely gonna be good. And obviously London has good Asian restaurants too, but for the most part they either average, or you really have to like do your research and find the better ones, because there's a lot of below average ones, to be honest. Like the taste is just not, there's no layers in the taste of the Asian food in London. So that's one thing I do miss. Yesterday I just like walked around Bondi Junction. No, sorry, not yesterday. The first day, I think. I walked around Bondi Junction to some shops, to the Westfield, and it felt so nice to like walk places where I went to on a daily basis. It's like that memory and nostalgia. It felt so strange, like I'd never left in a way. It was also nice to see like new shops or new buildings being constructed in the area. But for the most part, things hadn't changed too much. So yeah, it's like nice, sweet memory to walk around, and hopefully I have time to explore other areas in Sydney that I used to go to a lot. I want to try to hit up most of the beaches that I missed, or at least just drive past them. That'd be just nice to look at. Anyways, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna fix my hair and then head out to lunch.